Today, this afternoon, is a team, namely Sir Nicholas Tempon, Sir Plana, Sir Champagne, Sir Remibel, and Sir Michael. We are very happy indeed to reach this lovely place, that is Nongmluh and Plangmobra, to witness this beautiful stones and beautiful scenery all around. Here in this lovely stone, we have a Khasi traditional folktale story based on Iew Luri-lura and the dog who sold Tungrambai. It seems perhaps long ago in the bustling animal market of Iew Luri-lura, all the animals and the forest gather every week to trade goods, gossip, and feasting together. Birds sold feathers, monkeys sold fruits, and elephants offered rides for a few coins. Among them was a humble dog named Kun, who sold a local delicacy, Tungrambai, a strong-smelling fermented soybean paste beloved by some, but hated by many for its pungent odor. Kun was proud of his product. His mother had taught him the recipe, and he believed that Tungrambai brought strength and wisdom. Every market day, he set up his bamboo stall, carefully laying out jars of golden and sticky paste. But the other animals were not kind to him. "Oof, that smell again," shrieked the cat, fanning her nose. "Can you sit up somewhere downwind?" growled the tiger, covering his face with a leaf. "Even the flies are fainting," joked the monkey, laughing as he held his nose and danced around. The dog endured the teasing. He tried to laugh it off, pretending it didn't hurt. But week after week, he noticed fewer and fewer animals coming near. Even his stall got pushed to the edge of the market, near a stinky swamp. One day, while Kun was sadly packing up his unsold jars, a small old tortoise approached him. "Young dog," she asked, "may I try your Tungrambai?" Kun was surprised but nodded, handing her a jar. She tasted a little on a leaf. Her eyes widened. "This is real. This is good." The next week, the tortoise returned not alone, but with her family, and then with the jungle doctor and even the old scholar. What word spread fast. Tungrambai strengthens bones, helps memory, keeps the cold away. Everyone wanted a jar. Soon, the animals who once mocked Kun lined up at his stall. The tiger offered him honey for trade. The monkey danced to attract customers, and the cat, though still plugging her nose, bought 3 jars. Beth, cold, kind-hearted as he was, never held a grudge. He shared freely with those in need and always smiled, saying, "It is not the smell that matters, Beth, the strength inside." And so, in Iew Luri-lura, the dog who once was mistreated became one of the most respected traders, not because he fought back, but because he believed in what he had. And in time, others learned to respect it too. And this is a famous folktale story. Thank you.